Let's continue with our file operations with some more examples. Okay, so suppose I want to write a few things in a text file, and we have seen that. So let's say I have maybe the scores of students, right, with these three names, and you can write this paragraph, okay, or some whatever text you want to write, and you notice that there are a few new lines in this text, and we can run this first to write this in our text file. So we can check it here, and you see these are this is our input. And now what we want to do is, once we created this now, we can see different methods to read the content from our files. Okay, first we know that we can use the read method. Okay, so this is the read method, and this is going to display us here what we have in our file. Okay, and another one we can use is the read line. Okay, so this is going to read each line that are separated by the new lines, so it will go over line by line. Once we execute this code here, it will automatically go to the next line. And so basically, if you repeat this, let's say a few times, it will first read the first line, move on to the next one, print it here, and then move on to the third line. And if you like to continue typing this, you can have one more time. But if there is no more lines in the text, then it's just gonna give the empty space, empty lines, okay? Because there is no more lines left. So if we have 3 lines, and I can read line by line using the read line method. Okay, we can try this. So you see that we read the first line and jump, and we have 2 spaces. One is coming from the read line, and the other one is from the print statement. So we have this space here, and we go to the next line, read the second line, and continue. Okay, so this is another method we can apply to read line by line. Okay, and there's one more. The other method that I would like to show is the read lines. Okay, the difference here is it's going to return a list that contains each line in our text file. Okay, actually we can print this temp, the TMP, and you can also print the type of this, because it's going to return a list. So you can see we have a list, and also pay attention, we have these new line character now included, and this is a line by line content that we already input, and the type of this TMP variable is a list, as we mentioned. And basically you can also use this in a for loop. Just one more example. Let's say read, because this is going to return us a list, and we can go over the elements of this in a loop, and I can print this on the screen, and you see that we get the same content printed on our terminal.